Good morning everyone. My name is Pushpalata. I am going to explain the business law subject, the kinds of guarantee. Guarantee is specific guarantee. The guarantee gives one particular transaction or debt. Once a particular obligation is discharged, part settled by the guarantees ends automatically. This is called as an guarantee. Now we will see the kinds of guarantees. First one, specific guarantee. For a single debt, the given one particular transaction ends once an obligation is discharged. For example, relates to single and defined debt of transaction terminates when the debt transaction is discharged. No continuing liability for the future transaction. For example, P takes the loan for 1 lakh from C, the creditor. S surety gives the guarantee only for this loan specific guarantee. If P defects, C can use for S for 1 lakh. If the repays the 1 lakh, then when the ends of this further liability to be debited. The particular note for that use when guarantor wants to limited expose, typically for one-time loans, purchase credit for the single shipments. This is called an specific guarantee. Next we will see continuing guarantee for a series of transactions until recovered. The specific continuing guarantee, a guarantee that covers a service of transaction, for example, several loans or overdraft or running accounts between creditors and the principal debtors until the surety recovers it and continues from the transaction to transactions. That covers multiple and sustainable transactions between the creditors and the principal debtors. Remains its force until the surety recovers, affect a future transaction because of liability various with transactions up to earlier agreed limit. For example, Bank B allows Company X a running overdraft facility and S director give the continuing guarantee for 5 lakhs for all drawings by X limit recovered. These are the transactions are in continuing guarantee. Next one, joint guarantee. Joint guarantee given by two or more certainties. The guarantee two or more together in favor of creditor, the surety are together in giving the guarantee. Give two or more surety respect the same liability. They expect more nature of liability, joint, several or joint severals depends on the terms of guarantee. Commonly, the creditors may be sure one or all sureties if working allows. For example, a power of 3 lakh, the power of 3 lakh rupees S1 and S2 give this guarantee together, joint guarantee. If the guarantee is joint, only C may it is to situation whether both together if the guarantee is both or join the several. These are the guarantees for the particular removal as well assets. Creditors offering as multiple sureties with speak risk. For example, explain the contribution, so surety who pays extra can claim contribution from other sureties. These are the points in joint guarantee. Next we will see conditional guarantee. Conditional guarantee means becomes enforceable only when certain conditions are fulfilled. The surety liability arise only if the started conditions events occur. Liability is contingent, not immediate. It depends on some events conditions. Could be conditions perfect must happen before liability arise, or a condition subsequent affect the duration of continuance. Until the conditions is fulfilled, the surety can be no enforceable liability. Next we will see the rights of surety. These points are included in rights of surety. The rights are claim money to P, but S promise party if becomes the solvents of offense of the depends remainings unpaid. If P never becomes insolvent and relevant, repay the debts, S is never called upon. These are the points included in the kinds of guarantee. We will see the next session. We will see the next session to continue the session. Thank you.